your credit scores can increase very, very fast, but it really will depend. The biggest trick I always tell people is pay down their credit card. So say if you have your credit card due tomorrow, usually that credit card is going to report in 4 days. So if you want your credit score to go up in about 4 days, 5 days, then I tell people to pay down their credit card or pay it off completely, and you can see a great increase on your credit report. You see your credit scores go up a lot. Now, you guys can possibly see increases. Um, I'll say usually like a normal thing is try to look like 30 to 60 days for most things in terms of increasing your credit score. But it's always a way, like if you need to get some credit, you need your credit score to get increased quickly. It's always a way that you could possibly do it under those 30 days. But you have to be like, I'm going to do this. Like, I'm not going to play about this. I need to increase my credit score. If you don't have that mindset where you're going to do whatever it takes to increase your credit score, then you guys are going to find that you may not see a great increase. And when I say whatever you take, whatever it takes, just make sure it's legal. Things that you can do, such as like paying down your credit cards, making sure you don't apply for credit cards. If you have inquiries on your credit reports that's not supposed to be there, you're not authorized those, you can get those removed in as little as 4 hours. So that's something where you can quickly boost your credit score by just getting your inquiries removed, because Experian, they'll usually do that in 4 hours. And I talked to you guys about that in the 60 points in 60 days. I definitely talk to you guys about removing inquiries, but there's definitely ways that you can actually boost your